Ever wonder which stocks are poised for remarkable growth in 2024? Forget the cliffs. This isn't your typical stock advice. Today, we're diving deep into the market's hidden gems, armed with data, analysis, and insights that go beyond the ordinary. But first, let me share a secret with you. The stock market is a puzzle, and we got the missing pieces to decode its future. Our journey begins with unconventional picks. We're not talking about the usual suspects you hear about every day. This is about the underdogs, the disruptors, the ones flying under the radar but with incredible potential. To predict the future, we must understand the present. We'll analyze market trends, economic indicators, and global events that could shape the trajectory of specific industries and, in turn, the stocks within them. Tech titans and emerging sectors are where the real action is. We'll explore the companies pushing the boundaries of innovation, revolutionizing industries, and riding the wave of the future. But wait, investing isn't a one-way ticket to success. We'll discuss risk mitigation, strategies, how to safeguard your investments, and the importance of a well-diversified portfolio in navigating the unpredictable market. No stock analysis is complete without expert insights. We'll tap into the minds of seasoned analysts, economists, and industry experts to gain a 360-degree view of the market landscape. So subscribe so you don't miss our daily and continuous reviews and quickly find opportunities, because the stock market is a market full of opportunities. In this way, we will help to buy the best stocks in the market with the lowest risk. Find your inner Warren Buffett. 2024 is the year of your financial success if you are with us. As we wrap up, remember, this isn't just another stock advice video. It's a start of strategic roadmap for the savvy investor. If you found value in today's insights, don't just like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive financial content. Until next time, happy investing. This is Financial Whiteboard.